Stevens and Blewett transitions are closed on Wednesday morning. Seattle blizzard beat the mountainous regions of Oregon, Washington on Tuesday, overturned power, and closed the highway's ski centers. The Washington Transportation Ministry closed two mountain passages, the U.S. Route 2 and the Blewett Pass, which passed through Stevens Pass, showed high winds and weak visibility for both closing. The Stevens Pass Ski Center in Washington said it had 19-inch new snow before it was opened Tuesday. On Tuesday, Ski Center, Wednesday. Opening time on the highway can be affected by avalanche control work. He said. The biggest benefit in state of Washington said that more than 150,000 customers have lost power since the beginning of storm. KGW-TV reported that Oregon ski resorts Mount Hood, Meadows, Timberline Lodge and Skibowl closed their elevators. The National Weather Service released a blizzard warning for Oregon Cascades and Washington Cascades and northern Blue Mountains until Wednesday afternoon. The agency said it could reduce the visibility of the blowing prophet to 1/4 of 400 meters. The National Weather Service in Washington warned about snowstorm conditions at heights of 600 meters.